Hello and welcome to the MCQ lecture series for university online examinations. So today I'll be dealing with the multiple choice questions for banking 3, which is the special paper for TYBCom. So let's get started. So the first MCQ I'm looking at, this is all from chapter 1. So the first MCQ I'm looking at is the Central Banking Enquiry Committee was set up in which year? So the question can be the either way around, yeah. Probably they'll give you the years and then they'll ask you in which year this particular which committee was established in this particular year. So either way around, let us look at the options which we have in 1930, in 1929, in 1928 and 1935. So the Central Banking Enquiry Committee was set up in 1929. That is the answer. Yeah. So let us look at the second MCQ which we have here. The second is the Banking Companies Act of 1970 classified banks into what all things? Yeah. So here they have given us that they have classified banks into nationalized banks. Then they have classified banks into banking companies which are not nationalized, and the third is banking and the third is cooperative banks. Yeah. So these are the three statements they have given, and we have to select which is the correct option. So the options which we have are the option A is 1 and 2, that is nationalized banks and banking companies which are not nationalized, or option B is 1 and 3, that is nationalized banks and the cooperative banks. The next option is 1 and 2, 1, 2 and 3, all of them, and the last option is none of the above. Yeah, and the last option is none of the above. So this option which is correct is 1, 2 and 3, all. Yeah, all are there in Banking Companies Act 1972. Banks were classified into nationalized banking companies which are not nationalized, and cooperative banks. So the option C is correct. 1, 2 and 3, all three were classified. Yeah, all three were classified. Then let us move to the next question, which is Banking Regulations Act of 1949 does what? Yeah, does what? The first option which we have is regulates banking business in India. The second option we have is regulates consumption in India. The third option is both A and B, and the fourth option is none of the above. So here, if you have seen what Banking Regulations Act 1949 does, is it regulates banking business in India. So option A is correct. Now let us look at the next question. The next question is who enforces, please pay your attention, who enforces the regulations of Banking Regulation Act of 1949. So the options are either it is State Bank of India, or the Reserve Bank of India, or the Government of India, and none of the above. This question might reflect in the paper. So the regulator who enforces the regulations of Banking Regulation Act 1949 is the Reserve Bank of India. Please keep this in mind. It is not the Government of India, it is the Reserve Bank of India who enforces the regulations of Banking Regulations Act of 1949. Now let us move to the fifth MCQ. The fifth MCQ is the definition of banking. Here please pay attention to certain words. The definition of banking is given by which section of the Banking Regulations Act of 1949? So the options which we have are section 5B, the second option is section 5C, the third option is section 5D, and then none of the above. So if at all you have learned, or if you know what Banking Regulations Act particularly deals with and the certain sections which are there in that act, then section 5B is talking about the definition of banking. Yeah, it is talking about the definition of banking, section 5B. So the answer is option A. Let us move to the next question, the definition of banking company. Yeah, so that is why I told you, please pay attention. Earlier they asked what about the definition of banking. Here they are asking about definition of banking company is given by which section of Banking Regulations Act of 1949. So the options are section 5B, yeah, section 5C, then section 10, and then none of the above. So the answer here is section 5C is talking about the banking company, the definition of banking company. The answer is section 5C. Yeah. The next question is match the following functions of a bank. Match the following functions of a bank. They will give in column A, they have given the functions, and in B the type of the function. Yeah, here they are talking about which type it is, and in column B is talking about types, and column A is talking about the functions per se. Yeah, the functions per se. So the first function is acts as a trustee, the second is accepting deposits, and the third is foreign exchange. So these are the functions. Which type of function it is given in column B, which is subsidiary function or primary function or main function. So acting as a trustee, if at all you know, is a subsidiary function. So if 1 is matched correctly, it is A will obviously have 1. Accepting deposits is a primary function, so B will have 2, and foreign exchange is the main function, so C will have 3. So we have to look at the correct option which is matching these. Yeah, A has 1, so it is here. So we have to look at which all options have A as 1. These two options have A as 1. So B, accepting deposits, should be 2. So here B is talking about 3, so we have to rule this out. Yeah, so this is the option which we should be looking at, and then C is 3, so this is the correct option. So option 1, which is A is equal to 1, B is equal to 2, and C is equal to 3 is the correct option. So this is how you match it. Match the following questions might reflect in your paper. So the next question is, which section of the Banking Regulations Act 1949 prohibits trading? Prohibits trading, yeah. So these are section 5B. Now 5B, we have seen that it talks about banking definition, so we rule this out. Yeah, 5C talks about banking companies definition, so we rule this out. Section 8 and section 10 can be the answer, and if at all you have read properly, so section 8 is the correct answer. It prohibits trading by banking companies. Yeah, so the last question which we are going to talk about in this lecture is, which section prescribes minimum capital requirement for banking companies? Yeah, which section talks about that? So it is section 11 of the Banking Regulations Act of 1949, which talks about minimum, or which prescribes the minimum capital required for a banking company. So thank you so much. I'll be making more videos on these, so please stay tuned. Thank you so much.